Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, power, cables, and that you have a restore point. Once done, boot into safe mode by holding Shift and selecting Restart, then troubleshoot advanced options. In safe mode, open Settings Accessibility and turn off High Contrast. This removes the accessibility theme that causes the black screen. Make sure to sign out and back in after toggling. This forces Windows to reapply the normal theme and resets display-related registry entries. Next, focus on drivers and display configuration because mismatches often trigger high-contrast black screens. First, open Device Manager and update the display adapter driver or rollback if the issue began after an update. If updating fails, temporarily use Microsoft Basic Display Adapter to confirm a driver problem. Then open Settings System Display and disable HDR, reset scale to 100%, and confirm correct multiple. To finish, revert the theme to Windows default and uninstall any third-party theme or color manager apps that might reintroduce the issue. Create a system restore point so you can return to this working state if needed. Then restart normally and verify accessibility settings remain off. If the black screen with high contrast persists, perform a repair install with the Media Creation tool. This reinstalls Windows while keeping files and apps. Quick troubleshooting tip: test on a separate user account to rule out profile corruption before a repair install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.